Hello everyone, in front of me is OSCAL Tiger 12 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First of all, open new message or any other area where you've got access to your keypad. So, just enter this panel. Obviously it can be reached via browser, search tab or any other option. It doesn't matter, all you have to do is to have this keyboard right in front of you. Now tap on settings icon, select languages and tap on add keyboard. Select the one that you want to use. You can either scroll all the way down to find it or use search button and then enter the language that you want to apply, tap on done, and now you can either stay with both languages or remove unnecessary one. Let me stay with two languages at first, and as you can see now you can switch between languages by using this word icon. Just by tapping here you can change it. And also, if you will have one language only, let me just remove the unnecessary one. This icon would disappear, so there's no option to switch between languages. And that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.